Past perfect tense。上次咧，我哋講咗 past perfect tense 嘅用法，我哋今朝咧聚焦會睇 Type 3 conditional。咁睇完呢段影片之後，如果咧你能夠講到 Type 3 conditional 佢嘅 form 點樣寫得啱，另外亦都可以講到 Type 3 conditional 嘅 implied meaning 咧，咁就為之成功啦。Examples: If Lily had worked hard, she would have entered the university. 如果 Lily 佢有勤力啊，佢就已經入咗大學啦。If the doctor had arrived earlier, she would not have died. 如果個醫生早啲到呢，佢就唔會死啦。You would have been fitter if you had not eaten too much. 如果你啊冇食咁多，你就會健康啲啦。好，咁究竟 Type 3 conditional 同 Type 1、Type 2 conditional 佢嘅分別係點呢？俾3秒你自己答一答。好，開估，冇錯啦。Type 1 conditional 呢係講有可能發生嘅事 ，Type 2呢就係講冇可能發生，係啦。譬如 If I were you, I would study hard。而 Type 3呢就係講一啲過咗去但係冇發生嘅事。通常呢，就其實係表現呢一啲懊悔啊、regret 啊咁樣樣。嗱，我哋再睇翻頭先嗰3個例子。If Lily had worked hard, she would have entered the university。咁究竟佢有冇 work hard 到呢？佢有冇入到大學呢？答案係冇噶。如果呢一句咁樣寫嘅話呢，其實呢係反映咗呢件事已經過咗去，冇得翻轉頭。She didn't work hard and she did not enter university 啊。如果呢一句呢，佢係用咗 Type 1 conditional。If she works hard, she will enter the university 啦。其實係情況完全唔同嘅，呢個係事係未發生噶。如果佢勤力啲呢，佢就會入到大學噶啦。如果用 Type 2嚟寫呢 If she worked hard, she would enter the U。咁呢件事其實未發生嘅，只不過呢，就係從我呢個講者嘅角度呢，覺得其實佢係好懶，佢都唔會勤力噶啦。嗱，唔係話冇得翻轉頭，係未發生。但我而家觀察佢呢，如果佢勤力，佢會入到 U。不過我其實覺得佢好懶。嗱，其實意思上係唔同嘅。Example 2: If the doctor had arrived earlier, she would not have died。咁呢句嘅隱含意思呢，其實即係話個醫生呢，最尾係遲咗嚟噶，個人已經死咗，係已經死咗啦。The doctor did not arrive earlier.She has died. Example 3: You would have been fitter if you had not eaten too much. 呢句嘅意思呢係話 You ate too much， 你已經食咗太多啦，咁你而家呢就唔 fit 嘅。咁我相信講到而家呢，大家都知道 Type 3 conditionals 佢嘅隱含意思係愛嚟表達啲乜嘢噶啦，係咪呢？咁而家呢就會講一講佢嘅 form 啦。你識得佢係用嚟做乜嘢？咁你如果想用，你點樣用得啱呢？我哋又睇翻呢個例子。If Lily had worked hard, she would have entered the university. So here it is the if clause。呢個句子嗰度呢有個 if 噶嘛，係咪？我哋叫佢做 if clause。She would have entered the university。我哋呢一 part 叫 main clause。喺 if clause 裏邊呢，我哋會用 past perfect tense， 咁就即是我哋上一次學過嘅 had 再加 pp。而喺 main clause 呢，我哋會用 would have 再加 pp。咁我哋嘅 slogan 呢，就係 if clause past perfect tense。Main clause would have 再加 past participle， 記住噶啦，重複我哋嘅口號係 if clause past perfect tense，main clause would have 再加 pp。好啦，如果我哋將個 if clause 擺去後邊又得唔得嘅呢？係得噶。咁呢一句呢就會變成 Lily would have entered the university。If she had worked hard。 嗱，留意呢個時候呢個 if clause 呢係成嚿擺咗後邊噶。 if clause 咧仍然係 past perfect tense，而個 main clause 咧嗰個 verb 仍然係 would have 再加 PP 嘅。另外一樣嘢要留意嘅咧，如果你調轉嚟寫咧，個 subject 一定咧擺喺前面嗰個係有名，後邊嗰個先係 pronoun 嘅。我哋做練習啦，不妨停一停條片，自己做咗，然之後咧再播片自己對一對。Number 1。If Matthew 嗱，我會圈住個 if 字提醒自己呢個 if clause 嘅。If Matthew if clause past perfect tense。If Matthew had taken 嗱，唔好寫 took 啊 ，past perfect tense 嚟㗎 ，had 再加 pp 啊 took taken。If Matthew had taken the medicine, he main clause would have 再加 pp would have recovered。Number 2。If Michael if clause 圈住個 if 先 ，if clause had 再加 pp had not gone back to China before the new year, he not get 咁我變成 would have 就變成 would not have 啦 ，would not have got hurt。Number 3嗱，今次留意呢個 if 呢。就係擺中間嘅喎，嗱我哋冇 comma 㗎 ，if 擺中間嘅話嚇。好咁啊 ，if clause past perfect tense main clause would have pp。Alex would not 嗱 not 就變成 would not have 啦嚇，唔係 would have 啦 ，would not have become would not have become famous if he had not directed the film。 佢唔會出名嘅，如果佢唔係導演咗嗰出戲，咁但係當然佢係有執導到啦。Number 4 if Honey 好啦 if clause 圈住個 if 先，好啦，啲人見到個 have 咧就會好驚啦，其實冇咩特別，仍然係個 slogan had past perfect tense， 即是 had 再加 pp。答案係 if Honey had had breakfast she would have 加 pp 啦 ，would have been so hungry。咦？呢句好似出錯咗喎，應該係 would not have been so hungry。如果佢有食早餐，佢就唔會咁肚餓啦。好啦，咁啊都係重複啦。If clause 係 past perfect tense，main clause would have pp。嗱，我特別一提嘅呢，就係如果有 not 嘅話。Past perfect tense 呢就係 had not 再加 pp 啦，而 main clause 嗰度呢本來係 would have pp 嘅，就會變成 would not have pp。譬如呢題 he would not have got hurt， 咁千祈就唔好搞咩 would have not 啊，嗰啲係 would not have 再加 pp。Summary Type 3 conditionals。 If clause past perfect tense。Main clause would have 再加 past participle。 我用 example 嚟記嘅。If Lily had worked hard, she would have entered the university。 如果 Lily 勤力嘅話，佢就已經入咗大學啦。If clause 可以擺喺後邊㗎，變成 Lily would have entered the university if she had worked hard。 留意 if 喺中間嘅話係冇 comma 㗎。另外，如果係加 not 嘅話 ，past perfect tense 呢係會係 had not 加 pp 㗎。咁而 would have pp 呢，就應該係 would not have pp 嘅。好，講到呢度，拜拜。